These are the elevators at parking garage A here at Dallas Love Field. These are the original elevators that were modernized not too long ago.
Fourth floor, going down.
I believe these are the only original elevators left from the old Love Field, but they were modded. This one and the Kones, I think. We're gonna get off at 4.
First floor, going up.
You can see the old gold plate there. Although I do wish they would have kept these original. I think they look nicer, the original ones. We're gonna get off here.
Fourth floor.
And here's the elevator lobby. And that's it.